Chinese Bhutan Glory butterfly's scientific name is Bhutanitis thaidina, rare and delicate wing patterns. Orange oakleaf butterfly's scientific name is Kallima, inachus, camouflages as a dry leaf. Commander butterfly's scientific name is Moduza procris, bold black and orange wing markings. Blue glassy tiger butterfly's scientific name is Ideopsis vulgaris, glassy translucent wings. Godman's longwing butterfly's scientific name is Heliconius godmani. Bhutan Glory butterfly's scientific name is Bhutanitis lidderdalii, vividly colored highland butterfly.